Adam Brinkman, sales consultant at Lichtsinn RV.
How long have you worked here?
I've been here for just over 6 years.
And what is your favorite thing about working here at Lichtsinn RV?
My favorite thing about working at Lichtsinn RV is getting to meet new guests from all over the country and assisting them with any of their RV needs.
If you went on a week-long RV trip, where would you go?
I'm actually looking forward to a trip I'm going on in a couple weeks to Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
And what do you like doing in your free time when you are not at work?
If I'm not at work, I'm typically on the golf course. Spend most of my time on the golf course.
Awesome. Well, thank you.
Thank you.